Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. Today is Friday 25th of November and we are going to see how the market क्या लगता है daily observations are. So quick a SEBI social media mandate disclaimer, I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. So consult your financial advisor before you implement things. Primarily I'm sharing all these observations for educational purpose. Let's move on to our analysis. See, market क्या लगता है Friday 25th of November. Yesterday was a euphoric day. I would not say it was most expected, but at the same time the bias was bullish. Trading wise, I was in a strangles and also an iron condor trade for a weekly expiry. So the gains were as expected. So nothing euphoric that I could make from the yesterday's euphoric move. ठीक है. So Nifty range right now today we can see that between 18,200 to 18,600 and Bank Nifty range may be 42,500 to 43,300. We are already at a 43,100 mark already. Now bullish targets for Nifty may be 18,570. I'll just quickly show you how I have calculated these targets. And bullish target for Bank Nifty may be 43,280. Now at this point in time when the indices looks strong bullish, it would be ideal prudent that you take one day at a time. See, many a times it happens so that we are looking at a particular move in indices and at the same time while the move is actually taking place, it's a linear move. Slowly gradually price is moving towards a higher level. We were expecting that the market would retrace from somewhere here. Eventually it stayed above this level and now it has completed 1.272 target as well. So this is my Bank Nifty chart. I quickly go on to Nifty chart. Now yesterday we were expecting these targets. So for 18,341 which got completed in the first half an hour and then we broke above this 350 level. Remember we had discussed about if we break and sustain above this level of 18,350 then the next bullish impulse would start. That bullish impulse will take us now to the level of 18,570. This is the level that I'm expecting. And also if we can see, we have this all-time high level for Nifty. So this is one of the zone, confluence zone for the target that I'm calculating. Price has to reach and sustain over here so as to reach to the next higher levels. Now whenever you get these kind of moves, during the day, intraday, traders feel the urge to create a short trade. So there has to be a basis for that. Let's say you are trading into this particular trade. Now the basis for this rally will be something like from this is a higher high, higher low, again a higher high, this is a higher low, the higher high, a small higher low and a higher high right now. Unless and until these levels are taken out, unless and until this 18,245, this is where my range is coming from. Unless and until this level is taken out, you don't need to be aggressively bearish. You have to understand this thing. Okay, so intraday you wait for a dip and after the dip you can create a new long position, trade for the target of all-time high for Nifty. Eventually we are very close to this target, so psychologically we are going to achieve this target at once. And once we are through this level, then next levels are there, like 18,700 is also there. And eventually we have to take one day at a time. So we'll not jump our guns for a positional trade now, at least for now. Similarly for Bank Nifty, if we see the Mota Moti 43,000 psychological target that is completed, 43,000 is already done, 43,100 where we are right now. And the next target, logical target that seems to me is 43,280. So this is one of the target that I'm seeking. Okay, this is the target for Bank Nifty, okay, which is 43,280. Okay, so these are my targets for the day, and also I will not short Bank Nifty unless and until this level is gone, this higher low is taken. Okay, I am again adjusting this. So this is a last higher low level, latest higher low we should say. So unless and until this level is taken out on the downside, there is no question of shorting this market. So understand this thing very well. So we are in an uptrend right now. As long as this uptrend is maintained, as mean we are getting a new higher low above this low, then we are all good for the next target of 43,280. Today, as it is Friday. Most importantly, we had a euphoric move yesterday, so it might consolidate for a while. We might get a bullish move, but it will be limited. Or even if we get a bearish move, it has to be within this particular range. This is what my expectation is. On trading front, what I have done yesterday, as I had mentioned in yesterday's video, I have covered this position of short strangle for Nifty December. So I had created this trade. This trade was created on 11th of November. I had shorted 17,500 put at 86 rupees, and then I covered that at 48 rupees yesterday, and 105 I had shorted 19,100 call, which I booked at 55 rupees 55 paise. So eventually I made a total gain of in excess of 4.5% and little less than 5%. So 88% returns on my total investment of about 20 lakh rupees. Okay, so this was the trade, and then there is another trade that I have taken, which is ongoing right now, which is here. So the trade now I have done is in two tranches. I have shorted 17,400 put. Against that, I have bought 19,200 call, or shorted 19,200 call, and a similar strangle I have created for 17,500 and 19,100. So these are the two positions which are going currently, because Nifty was stretched in one direction, so these positions are showing notional loss. But if you check as per the strategy, we are still doing good on this trade. This is how it looks like right now. We are still in the middle of the range, and currently it's a notional loss of 1.5% that we can see, and total expected profit from this trade would be around 2.3 lakh rupees. I'll be content, happy if I get a 5% to 6% move, and then at that point in time, I'll think about covering this trade. So these are the inputs for the day. Today being a weekend day, don't be aggressively trading. Don't get into trade which is going to be an overnight trade. Try to keep it. Whatever trades that you are going to take will be for intraday purpose only. And if you want to carry any trade for the Monday, then just ensure that you trade with a hedged position. Okay, so keep these things in mind. That's it. Do well. I'm signing off, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.